Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. Welcome to Webtematics. In this series, we will discuss about software design pattern and we'll learn how to create a scalable software. So first of all, we'll discuss about the object-oriented programming, and then we'll learn about all the concepts, core concepts of OOP, and then we will discuss about the solid principles and all the fundamental design principles and design patterns. So object-oriented programming is computer programming model that organizes software design around data and behavior related to that data into bundles called object, which are constructed from blueprints, which we also call classes, which we define. So generally we define class and then we construct object out of it. So if you are first listening to this concept, it is kind of all jargon and all advanced terms. So it simply says that you construct any object from the classes. So what are classes? Let's understand it by example. It's easier that way. Suppose we are building an application where we display laptops and we display different kind of laptops. So we define a class which generally is the blueprint for that particular thing called laptop. It can be anything, and we organize all the information, all the data related to laptop. So we have this brand, color, memory. Laptop got some brand, color, memory, and the behavior, what laptop does. So I have just put to behavior, play game, edit video. So in normal programming, you just write functions. These are called methods inside classes, and these are called properties. So we bundle all the information for one particular object into a class. So class is just a blueprint, and whenever we need this, whenever we need an object which is a concrete thing, suppose Dell laptop, we need Dell laptop, then we construct the Dell laptop from using this class. Alright, so let me show you a real world class example. So here is a web application or e-commerce website where we have to implement the PayPal payment method. So to implement that, what we do is we create a class, PayPal service, or you can name it anything you want, and it got all the functionalities like creating the PayPal client, creating the order, and capturing order, calculating data, all the stuff related to PayPal payment. And we, after creating this class, this is just a blueprint. We need to create a object of this class in order to use it. So currently we are not using it, so we'll use it on the PayPal controller. So this controller controls all the payment related stuff. So whenever user hit pay now, then all the requests will come to this method, express checkout, and here we are creating the object from that class. So this is one way how Laravel does, or generally in all programming language we create like this. So suppose we want to create PayPal service, we do new and then PayPal service class. We create the object, PayPal service object, from PayPal service class. You can name it anything you want. And then we use the create order method and supply order ID to create the order. So this is how we do. So we are using this in Laravel framework. It automatically pulls it from container. All these stuff we'll discuss in separate video, but for now we just focus on objects and classes. So this is the real world use of object and class. It's totally fine if you don't understand this. Just see how these two are linked up. We have class, we have object. So in further videos we'll discuss in detail of all the use case of object oriented programming. So these are the core things in object oriented programming. They are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll discuss all these concepts in details in next videos we'll discuss about abstraction.